How to practice good skincare for men. A couple minutes a day of proper skincare will have your skin looking and feeling great. You will need facial cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, water, daily exercise, and a balanced diet. Step 1. Wash your face with cleanser every day. The cleanser should match your skin type, normal, dry, or oily. Step 2. Moisturize twice a day to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Step 3. Protect your skin from the sun by applying a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 15. Too much sun exposure will damage your skin. Sunscreen helps prevent premature skin aging and skin cancer. Step 4. Drink at least 64 ounces of water per day to keep your skin hydrated. Water moves waste and nutrients through your system. Avoid alcohol and cigarettes, which can make your skin appear dull. Step 5. Exercise daily to keep your skin toned and healthy. Regular exercise clears your pores, increases your metabolism, and makes you feel good about yourself. Step 6. Eat a healthful, balanced diet to ensure your skin receives all the minerals, vitamins, and nutrients your body needs. Did you know, as we age, oil-producing glands become less active, making skin appear less glowing.